Hi guys, it's Electro back here with another video. Today we're going to be playing some Minecraft. We're going to be playing some farm life here. Let's see what this is going to be. Like, I just want to show you guys around. So I'm going to put active cheats on, always day, and keep inventory. Let's go. Create this world. This is probably going to be one time. This won't be a series. I'll make a series. I'll keep doing that Java edition after we put 9 heads. It's been a while. It's been like 4 weeks. Around a month there, so I'll get on with that soon. Gotta wait for this thing to load. If you haven't yet, go click on my Asphalt 9 Legends video. It has a Mercedes in the thumbnail. It's a very good video. It's got audio too, so yep. I haven't made a Minecraft video in a while, so getting ready again for it. Okay, ready guys? Actually, how do you guys like my skin? It's pretty nice. Look at that. Like, that's pretty sick. I hope the graphics are good for you guys. It's good for you. I'm taking all of it, bro. We'll do some cheating just because I want to show you guys around. That was glitchy. Just get myself an iron sword. It's a great success. Got a sword on my inventory really quick. Okay, guys, perfect. I know there's some mobs. We'll come check this house out after. There's drivable trucks, and this map is free. Just go type in farm life. Just go type in farm life in the marketplace, and you guys will succeed. How is there no mobs in here? There might be some sillies down here. Nothing? Okay, this is nice. Look at guys, I dropped poo. Poo! My favorite thing, I'll come and collect it later. What's in here? Wheat boy. Look at this. Oh! Isn't this sick, guys? Yes, you want this? Look at this. You mind the grass, too? There's a plane over here. Like, this is the coolest thing. Here, guys, I gotta go. Get oh no. Hey, yo. Oh no. Look at this. I got a plane, boys. I got a plane. You can cruise over everything. You can just see my characters like, oh no. Okay guys, you can fly anywhere you want. I'm gonna go back down. I kind of need to go back down for the purpose of this video. Okay guys, I'm back in business, baby. Some pork chop, which I call Taco Bell, because why not? Okay guys, we're gonna show you the interior of this house. I really recommend this one. This video is not sponsored, unless they want to sponsor. So it's got a very nice fireplace here, nice wood. Don't know how to do that. Some bookshelves, like your personal little library. We got like this desert skull kind of thing. Nice kitchen stove with some coffee. Yeah, got all that. Nice nice basement. Got some usable chairs, so you can mount it right there, or mount onto it. Okay, come up here. You got your little main living area space. It can be a bedroom with a nice little window, good view. You come up here. This would be my room. This is a very nice room. This is the best room by far, in my opinion. So right by the bed here, you got a nice view of back there. Then if you come over here, you also got a really nice view. You can change anything up you want. It's all breakable. You can blow this up, then just make a new world. You can copy it. It's very fun. Yeah, you got a ton of windows in here. Now let's go check out the barn. We're gonna give you a tour of this whole map. You got some trees going. But first you got this. I need to pick up the poo in the barn. Oh, there's grasshoppers! Die! The snakes in here kill you, so be aware of snakes. Don't think they're cool. They're terrible. Hey guys, do you have any poo in here? No wonder something is shooting at me. Take the L, boy. Oh, there's some poo in here. Give me some. You are gonna escape. You don't have any poo. So weird, bro. Got a lot of droppings in here. Any poo? Any poop? Oh, you wanna fight right now, buddy? Wanna go? Okay, this bull's actually really smart. Wanna go, bro? I'll get you. Yeah, there you go. Take the L, and you can't even hit these dudes. Isn't that so cat? Ah! I'm gonna die just doing it. You can talk. So that's you can do. Look at this, boys. You got some wheat. You got this weird world. This. Very nice. You can do anything you really want. There's tons of villages. There's a ton of villages that you can go and discover. This is a normal size Minecraft world. It depends what you want. But I might take the plane over. I'm gonna take the plane. Gonna go to video. Gonna go third person. Ready, boys? Into vehicle. Open. This you got like your iron golem kind of thing. Okay, boys. We're doing very well so far. We're going to the new village. So, I hope you guys like this. This is working out pretty good. There's some farms back there that we're going to go to. It's like this. You guys would get the whole of this. It's very fun. You see this barn? There's a ton of mobs here, by the way. This is the place where there's a lot of mobs. So just be careful. When you get here, there's a ton of bulls that just want to come and destroy you. So I recommend coming over here, making sure there's no bulls. You guys don't need to cheat, but just for the purpose of this video, I need to cheat. Also, I don't need to, but I kind of feel like it. Like, let's say, I'm not getting that great. I'm not getting the best. You got a little chest plate here. One iron chest plate. I look good with armor. Okay, there's a lot of angry bulls here. Kill every bull in your city. This is the worst spot. And then a ton of random zombies. Kill all the animals that have horns. Or that look harmful. Because there is some. There's actually a lot. There's your dog. You don't need to kill the dog. This place has a lot more, right? You got some horses with saddles, if you really want it. Coyote. Okay, it's not the nicest house. It's very dark. There are mobs in this house. Because it's made out of like darkish material. They've got a really nice truck in here. See this? Let's go, boys. I'm exiting this town. Like, I'm pretty sure. This stuff does damage. Let me show you guys around. This is gonna take me. There we go. Now we can start chopping. Watch this. Ready? Oh yeah, I'm chopping everything. You can't kill them with this because look at this. I'm clearing this place out, man. You can hear it. Yeah, so this is pretty fun. It is very fun. I would recommend doing this one. Here, burning light. That's some fences. But the worst thing is it gives you like an inventory and you don't think I'm going. So it will get left in the which I don't really know. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, now we have like infinite food. See, look at I couldn't pick up anymore. There's a strawberry. Okay guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. This is a very fun video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe before we go. Type in Electro4283 into the search bar. You'll find me. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe on this video. Go check out my other videos. And I will catch you later. Peace.